a drying kit, or for like acne prone or oily skin, or if you have. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, okay, here we go.
Up because there is a 10 off 30 if you're a member.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that'll be perfect. Thanks. Okay, dolls, I just finished filming just an absolute dupe split video for Baccarat Rouge and Delina. I'm super tired. I did that full shop today. I did the nails, the toes, and I'm loving these clip-ins, you dolls. I think that I'm going to be giving my hair a break by switching over to these clip-ins, and I'm just going to be probably end up like braiding most of my hair down and just doing leave out as if this were a sew-in, and rocking the clip-ins like that just to kind of get my hair back healthy, which is what I've been wanting to do. But I don't really want to do a sew-in because I just don't like that it doesn't get as flat, this flat look like I like it to be. At least sometimes it's a hit, but it's always like hit or miss for me with having a super flat middle part, bust down middle part sew in. So that's why I love the tape ins, because they just give more of a natural vibe, especially when it's laying down and stuff, the way that I like for mine to lay. So that's why I love tape ins, but I do want to get my hair a little break, a little TLC through the fall and winter. I think clip ins is going to be my go-to. Been obsessed with these Goo Goo clip ins, the tape ins as well, but now I'm switching over to the clip ins, I think. So this is them today, and I'm absolutely obsessed. So they come in jet black already, so I didn't have to dye them, and I just can't stop messing with them. And I like that I can take them in and out in the evenings, give my hair a break from tension and stuff, which I couldn't do with the tape ins. I can put oil on my scalp and all of that and still have a seamless look. Wake up, the tape ins are the clip ins are holding longevity wise because I'm not sleeping in them. So, you know, I can work out in them, I can do all of that, but then at the end of the day I can come home, take them out, and then reinstall every day, lay them exactly the way that I want to clip them in. And I could even alternate this with a side part and the middle part, which is what I'm planning to do during the fall months, so that I can part on the side, have a flip over, do something kind of big, kind of curly with a pretty red lip, my bigger, like my trench coats, my turtlenecks and stuff, or still be very sleek in a turtleneck, hair straight like it is today, going back, very Naomi Campbell, and a red lip, just some really pops of lips. So I'm gonna go more matte on the lips this fall and winter. And yeah, so that's the vibes, doll. And tomorrow I want to do brunch. I'm gonna try to do a brunch, get a little brunch in here for the vlog before myself and vlog it for you dolls, of course. So that's what I'm going to be on tomorrow. So we may do that. That's the plan at least. And if so, then I definitely, I don't know,
This is a one.
Sorry, love. No, you're fine.
Well, let me see my phone. I'll ask where I go to share with little baby.
Really?
Already, I hope y'all enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Dolls, I had also stopped at Target. I didn't go in there with you guys because my camera had died at that point and I was just trying to get in and out, but I was going in there just for a little something. And what I picked up, I'm really excited about. This is actually something that I hadn't seen before, but what I want to tell you dolls from what you saw when we went inside of Sephora is that all of the stores are starting to pull out their holiday gift sets and just really stock up on a lot of, you can really find some good buys, really good buys. Now that it's kind of coming into the holiday seasons, there are a lot of amazing gift sets that are just, it's just incredible what are inside of these gift sets. And for the price point, I was telling you dolls that you can get a gift set of a full-size YSL Libre plus a travel size perfume for like $35 right now at Sephora, which is just absolutely crazy to me. But now is the time to really get out there, really be checking for gift sets, going to Sephora, Target, Walmart, all of the stores. They have some amazing gift sets where you're getting full-size products for a discounted price, plus you're getting like smaller travel size items or like sample sizes and stuff that you can definitely utilize and just really stack up on some stuff right now. So now is the time. And speaking of that, at Target, I did go in there and I got this amazing gift set, guys, for $35. I was so floored by this. I'm sorry, $34. And this is the Mario Badescu. This is the skincare set, and this is Good Skin is Forever and Clear. And this is a drying kit or for like acne prone or oily skin, or if you have breakouts. This is a starter kit for clearer skin, and it is amazing. I was floored because a lot of these products in here, you know, you're getting nice sizes of these products, and for $34 you're getting a lot. Okay, a lot of product. And Mario Badescu is one of my absolute favorites, hands down. And this one here, what I really liked about it was these drying patches. And I've already used one on my son. He had a little breakout, cleared it up in no time. Okay, last month when I was filming, I did have a few blemishes, and I was like, dang, I don't have anything on hand for blemishes because I normally don't get blemishes. So I don't really keep a lot of blemish control, acne type products on hand, but I was like, I want to get something because last month it was just crazy. I don't know what it is, the time of the year, the season, plus the time of the month, it was just out of control, girl. So wanted to pick up something. I was like, I'll pick up something while I'm in there, a mask or something, and I saw this set and I was like, oh yeah, absolutely have to get it. So it comes with 6 patches. These are the drying patches or pimple patches, as you dolls have been seeing everywhere. It also has the drying lotion in there, and if you've ever used the BADESCO, you know it's 2 little separate ingredients there, a liquid and then a creamier product at the bottom, and you just use a Q-tip, you stick it all the way down into the product. You don't shake it up, and then you just apply that overnight, and it is going to dry up any blemishes or acne bumps and stuff that you have on your face. It works amazing. So this was actually the product that I was thinking about picking up. So for the value, I came away with not only this, but so many other nice things in this set. This is the acne facial wash, which I think is good because it's going to remove the oils and stuff on your skin, any sebum that you have, excess oil. And then this one is the oil-free moisturizer, because you still do want to moisturize your face, because if your skin is dry, it's going to throw or cause moisture to come to your face to try to give you some oils, and then that can also cause breakouts to continue. And then it had a mask in there, which was a healing and soothing mask, which I think is amazing. So dolls, go check out this product at Target. Run to Target, pick this up. They may have it at Ulta, I'm not sure, but I did get it from the Ulta in Target. So I should say that I got it from Ulta in Target. So this should be available for you dolls as well.